Welcome to IceWeight Biometry. This segment will demonstrate how to manually adjust the gates along the A-scan. To open the A-scan window, simply click on any of the values in the top portion of the screen. The A-scans will open for either the right or the left eye separately. In the new window, each gate along the A-scan marked with a crosshair signifies a specific tissue boundary. The gates are front surface of the cornea, or epithelium, rear surface of the cornea, or endothelium, front or anterior surface of the lens, back or posterior surface of the lens, the inner limiting membrane, and the retinal pigment epithelium. It is important to note, however, that the current US version of the software does not allow for retinal thickness analysis pending FDA review. The crosshairs mark the point of intersection between the average value of the measurement readings along the optical axis. The software adjusts this cursor automatically. To manually adjust specific gates along the A-scan, it is strongly suggested that the user magnify the area intended for manual adjustment. To magnify, click on the icon with the magnifying glass that says Zoom Scan. The click will display the cursor in a left and right fashion. To magnify, simply left-click and hold, and drag the cursor, displaying a blue box from one point to the other across the area to be magnified. Letting go of the mouse cursor will allow the area to be magnified. As the aqueous depth is measured from the endothelial layer of the cornea to the anterior surface of the lens. As the aqueous depth is measured from the endothelial layer of the cornea to the anterior surface of the lens. After magnification, the area displayed on the screen will only be the lens. The displayed crosshairs will mark the anterior surface of the lens as well as the posterior surface of the lens. To manually adjust the gate, simply move your mouse cursor over the crosshair. This will result in the 4-quadrant crosshair. To adjust the gate, simply left-click and hold the mouse button. This will result in a line. This line represents where the placement of the gate will be after it is manually adjusted. It is recommended that you push your mouse forward to remove the crosshair from your field of view. Now simply move your mouse to the selected placement or the positioning in which you would like to put the lens gate. Then simply let go of the mouse button. The hand on the screen signifies that the gate has been manually manipulated. To move the posterior lens gate, simply follow the aforementioned instructions. As the gates are adjusted, an asterisk will appear next to the lens thickness measurement or next to the area that is being manipulated. If the anterior lens thickness gate is adjusted, this will also modify the aqueous depth measurement. For this training video, we have specifically selected the lens gates for adjustment. Lens thickness is an important measurement for use in the Holiday IOL Consultant software, and the LENSTAR is the only optical biometer that currently measures the lens. This will save your data and return you to the biometry examination results overview.